Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What does it mean by burette? So, let's get started. Dear friends, burette is a laboratory apparatus commonly used to dispense and measure variable amounts of liquid or sometimes gas within chemical and industrial testing, especially for the titration process in volumetric analysis. You know, burettes can be specified according to their volume, resolution, and accuracy of dispensing. Smaller diameter tubes result in lower volume and increased resolution. Digital burettes can achieve better accuracy and are less dependent on the skill of the technician. My fellows, the first burette was created by chemists in the 19th century. It consisted of a simple glass tube with valves and later added graduations. This basic design is still widely used in glass burette. This should be carefully observed at eye level, ensuring that the liquid is free of bubbles and the reading is taken at the bottom of the meniscus. The delivered volume is the difference between the initial and final readings of reagent. Do you know? Why is burette used for titration? Before to understand, let's understand titration. Titration, which is also known as titrimetry, is a chemical qualitative analysis technique that is used to calculate the concentration of a given analyte in a mixture. The purpose of the titration is the detection of the equivalence point, the point at which chemically equivalent amounts of the reactants have been mixed. The amount of reactants that have been mixed at the equivalence point depends on the stoichiometry of the reaction. So let's get back to question. Why is burette used for titration? You know, the reason why it is preferred to use burette in titration because it can be used to dispense accurate volumes of liquid and it can contain enough amount of reagents for titration. It has graduation marks used to read the volume delivered and it reads from top to bottom starting 0. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.